Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Verify mass distribution and center of mass so forces behave predictably. Once done, secure your rigging with a safety factor of 5, 1, and 0. 5 mm slack allowance. Make sure to measure height, angle, and pivot coordinates and record baseline data. This prevents guessing later. Start the first actionable test. Release a small mass from a known height and watch trajectory against expected drop. This immediate test anchors your setup and reveals misalignments quickly, saving time and danger. You now focus on control and accurate measurement. Mount a 240 fps camera with visible scale and timestamps so you capture transient motion. Then calculate acceleration using a equals F/m while logging applied forces, estimated friction, and air drag. This explains deviations. Once measurements show variance, adjust pivot friction and rebalance masses, then iterate 3 trials for repeatability. Make sure to compare results versus theoretical predictions and refine damping or alignment until you complete the process by validating results against theoretical expectations and accepting measurements within your chosen tolerance. If errors exceed that tolerance, isolate the source quickly. Check alignment first, then pivot friction, sensor bias, or unexpected air drag. Make sure to realign the pivot, clean or replace bearings, recalibrate sensors, and rerun controlled trials. These steps remove systematic error. Finally, document the change that fixed the issue so you can repeat success. This closes the loop and preserves reproducibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.